Welcome to Fabby John's, The Joy of Decorating. Decorating 101 is your beginner's guide to creating a beautiful, cohesive space without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're starting from scratch or refreshing a room, here are the core principles to follow. Number 1, start with a plan. Inspiration first. Gather images of the decor style you love. Pick a color palette. Choose 2 to 3 main colors and 1 to 2 accents. Measure everything. Know your room's dimensions to avoid buying furniture that doesn't fit. 2. Focus on function first. Think about how you'll use the space. Will it be for relaxing, entertaining, or working? Arrange furniture to support that function with clear pathways and zones. 3. Anchor with key pieces. Invest in 1 or 2 high-impact items, like a sofa, a bed, or dining table. Choose timeless, neutral styles for large pieces. Add trends with smaller decor. 4. Layer your textures. Mix materials like wood, metal, fabric, glass, and stone, or marble to add depth. Use rugs, pillows, curtains, and throws to soften the space and make it feel lived in. 5. Mix high and low. Combine splurges with budget finds. Thrift stores like IKEA and online marketplaces are great for one-of-a-kind or affordable gems. 6. Lighting. Lighting is key. Use at least 3 sources of light: ambient for overhead, task for lamps, and accent in sconces or candles. Add dimmers for instant atmosphere. 7. Art and decor placement matters. Hang art at eye level, around 57 to 60 inches from the floor to the center of the piece. Don't overcrowd walls or surfaces. Leave breathing room. 8. Add personality through the use of books and photos. Incorporate plants or flowers for natural life and color. 9. Don't forget scale. Use a mix of sizes. Pair a large art piece with smaller decor or a big sofa with a compact coffee table. Rugs should ground the furniture, not float in the middle of the room. 10. Edit ruthlessly. Less is more. Remove anything that doesn't serve a purpose or fit your vision. Reevaluate over time. Decorating is a process, not a one-day job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.